Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing good. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new here, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. And I have my first order from TikTok, my first purchase, okay? My very first purchase from TikTok shop, okay? This is all what I bought from TikTok shop, and I'm going to be showing you guys what they have. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see what I bought from TikTok shop? Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. Guys, let's open it. This is our jump rope. Let's see. There's two stuff in there. This is a digital item, is a selfie stick. Okay. 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 So you can adjust it. Okay, I have to figure out how to do this. Oh, you just pull it. Okay. This is how far I can go. Okay, just a selfie stick. Okay, and this you can switch it. Okay, that's good. And they are very affordable. To zoom, vitamin C facial serum. That's it for that. And the next one, oh, this is NX. Oh no. Okay. Okay. This one goes. Wow, it's so big. It looks so big. Okay. Cool. I like it. The color is pink and a little purple. Yeah. I like it. And the next one, ooh, let's see. This one, I'm so excited for this one. This one, I think this one is going to be my favorite. Jamaica black castor oil. And guess what? I bought 4 of it. Yay! the lighting. Okay, let's say the last one for then the last one is this shoe. This one is the shoe. Okay. Hey, I bought shoe from TikTok shop. This is the bust. I bought shoe from TikTok shop. Ooh. It's very light. Wow. It's very light. I'm going to put it on and I'll let you guys see it, okay? I'll put it on. Let's see. Should I put it on? I don't know, but I'll try to see. I hope it fit me. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the shoe. Let's see.
Yeah. Follow us on all social media platforms. Share with Love TV. For your cooking, vlogging, viral gists and news. My girl told me that she wants to check on Share with Love TV. My friends too told me that they want to check on Share with Love TV. I begin to wonder, say, why everyone want to check on Share Love TV? I come start to wonder, say, why it be say, all of now they want to check on Share with Love TV. Share, is there something you are not telling me? Oh, is there something you are not showing me? Madam Share with Love TV, oh, a magic finger. Madam Share with Love TV, a supernatural cooker. Why don't you follow Share with Love TV? Why don't you follow Share with Love TV? Share with Love TV on all social media platforms, yeah. Share with Love TV. Why don't you follow? Share with Love TV. Let's see how you follow. Madam Share with Love TV. Okay, you know how to make this recipe so good, and you know how to make your cooking look so delicious and cool. Anytime I taste it, I feel love inside, and you the best of all them cooked, yeah. Madam Share with Love TV, I love to follow you.
Okay, guys, we've come to the end of this unboxing, my first purchase on the TikTok shop. I hope you guys like the video. As I said earlier, this is all what I bought from TikTok shop for the first time. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. See you soon. See you guys on my next video. Bye. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.